Hi my dears, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about how to be a fashionable housewife with a style, not just a homemaker. Okay, let's get started. Today I'll be unboxing Versace products. I'm very excited to open this Italian luxury fashion brand. Let's see what's inside. This is a bralette. I love the lace trim. It's very girly. I'm a bit more than 5'5", which is like 166 centimeters. Tell you a secret, I literally have no boobs. So I'm wearing a size XS. If you have a bigger breast, I think you might need to order a size up. Now, let me show you how I look in it. Please give me a second. By the way, why do you need to dress up? People sometimes give critical comments. Oh, you're just a housewife. I can tell you some good reasons. Number 1, because it's fun and can boost your mood. Number 2, because you're only young once. Take advantage now and don't make people think that you're only a housewife. Number 3, because life's too short to blend in, don't settle for average. Isn't that simple? So, don't be just a homemaker or a stay-home mom. We all should live in beautiful style. Everyone else can follow your fabulous lead. Glamour isn't only reserved for the rich and famous. You can do it too. I hope you look in the mirror and love what you see. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.